We are describing lesson 6 of geography, manufacturing industries. Now we will start development and distribution of different type of industries along with their importance and problems. First industry, that is textile industry. Textile industries are those which produced cloth from fabric. There are the different types of textile industries like cotton, jute, silk and woolen industry. This industry is dependent on agriculture. It provides employment to the large number of people also. But in our syllabus, there is only cotton and jute textile industry. Before starting the cotton and jute textile industry, we will discuss about the importance of textile industry. Textile industry that has its significance, that provide us large number of products, give employment to the people, even it has its main role to earn foreign exchange. Near about 14% contribution in the industrial production and 4% contribution of textile industry in our GDP. It give employment to near about 35 million people. And in export also, its role near about 30%. This industry is self-reliant industry. Self-reliant industry means everything is available in our country that we require for textile industry. In the textile industry, we will start now cotton textile industry. In cotton textile industry, that is ancient industry of India, but earlier how the textile was produced. In the ancient times, textile was produced with the hand spinning, and after this handloom weaving technique started. After this, in 18th century, power looms came and production of textiles started with the power looms. And during the time of Britishers rule or colonial rule, our industries, textile industry suffered a setback. But in India, the first textile mill was set up in Mumbai in 1854. Now we will discuss about the factors. Which factors or requirements we need to open any textile industry, cotton textile industry? Cotton textile industry mainly opened in cotton growing belt of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Mumbai is the largest center. Mumbai lies in Maharashtra. Ahmedabad is the largest center in Gujarat. So we can say Maharashtra and Gujarat are these two states where most of the cotton textile industries are concentrated, and most of the industries they are concentrated in two places, Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is known as Manchester of India. It means Manchester that lies in England, where the largest number of cotton textile industries were opened. In the same way, in Ahmedabad also largest number of cotton textile industries are opened. So first factor, cotton textile industry required raw material, that is cotton. Second, it required humid climate. Humid climate is required for spinning of thread. Third, it required cheap and skilled labor. In Mumbai, in Gujarat, or in other states where this industry is developed, skilled and unskilled labor is available. Number 4, market. In Maharashtra and Gujarat, there is market or more demand of cotton textile, and means of transport are also developed in these areas. These means of transports are used to export the finished goods and to import the machinery and long staple cotton. After the factors, we will discuss about its significance or contribution. This industry has great significance because it provides employment to the large number of people, such as it provides employment to the farmers, cotton ball pluckers, workers which are engaged in different cotton textile activity like ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing, packing, sewing and tailoring, etc. This industry gives support to other industries also, such as it gives support to chemical and dye industry, to the packaging material. It provides employment to skilled and unskilled workers, and it has its more contribution in India's GDP. To earn our foreign exchange also it play its main role. Now export. Cotton textile has its role in the export also. Mainly the cotton goods are exported to USA, UK, Russia, France and Nepal. India has the second largest installed capacity of spindles in the world after China. And in the total trade of India, it share near about one fourth. Now we will discuss about the problems or challenges faced by this industry in India. Generally in India, there is shortage of long staple cotton, and we have to take the long staple cotton from the other countries. Second, power supply is also erratic. Sometimes power supply is not proper provided to cotton textile industry. Machines they are old and they are not according to new technology. Our cotton textile has high cost, so sometimes we are not able to compete with the international market also due to its high cost. We have to face stiff competition in the market, and our labor is also